So my math lab number 7 gives you 3 different states and they're cooperating to build a dam, and it's an 8-member water authority. That's what they're apportioning, assigned to the number of customers in each state. Okay, so there's 60,000 customers in state A. And there are 19,000 in state B and 30,000 in state C, and it says find each state's standard quota. That's what they want you to do. Find each state's standard quota. Well, you can't find the standard quota without the standard divisor. So you have to first add up, because the standard divisor wants, the SD, the total population. Remember, it's the total population over the number of representatives you're apportioning. In this case, it's seats on an 8-member water authority. So my denominator is 8, and my numerator is going to be whatever the 60,000 customers in state A plus the 19,000 customers in state B plus the 30,000 customers in state C. And so when I add that up, the total population is 109,000. And you're going to divide that up with 8 representatives. So the standard divisor is actually an even number. It's a whole number, 13,625. Now it does say round to the nearest whole number, but I think that came out evenly. So not evenly, it's an odd number, but you know what I mean. It, came out as a whole number. It divided perfectly. There was no decimal crap or fraction crap. So that's the answer there. Now, to find the standard quota for state A, and it does say to round to 4 decimal places, I have to find the standard quota. Okay, so we're going to do the standard quota for state A. And you're going to take state A's population, which is the 60,000. Made that line a little too long. And divide it by the standard divisor. And so you grab your handy dandy calculator and you divide, and then you round it to four decimal places. So you should get, and this is between you and your calculator, 4.4037. So that's what goes here, 4.4037. And then this was my first answer. And now I'm going to do state B, which state B I did in green. So state B says also rounded to 4 decimal places. So the standard quota for state B will be the 19,000 customers divided by the standard divisor. So grab your calculator and divide, and then round that to 4 places, which comes out to be 1.3945. And that's what goes right here. And last but not least, we need the standard quota for state C, and their population was 30,000. Looks like a 6, that's a 30. Terrible handwriting some days. 30,000 divided by the standard divisor of 13,625. And again, grab your calculator, divide, and round that off to 4 decimal places, and you should get 2.218. And that's the 4 decimal places there. And that is number 7. That's all they wanted.